I only had a minor nervous breakdown about one of them, which involved me messing up my original plan twice, which is now why I've now got 2 broken umbrellas in my kitchen. But I'm sure we'll see.
The best mask. Would you like to explain what we're looking at?
I'm going to put my hands up here and say this is not mine. This is something I found on the internet, because I think the way you actually phrased it in the email was you wanted the most impressive mask. And to me, the most impressive thing is something that once I've seen, I can never forget. And this is a mask made out of human teeth and vertebrae.
That looks like a Doctor Who thing.
I want to see you invent something spectacular. So you went and made a puppet theatre?
I did, yeah.
Would you like to elaborate? What inspired you to make this fantastic puppet theatre?
Well, my original plan was to make a full-size theatre for a single person. So it was going to involve an umbrella that popped up and, you know, fired party poppers and all that kind of stuff. Unfortunately, my engineering skills are so atrocious that I just managed to destroy 2 umbrellas instead. Some sari fabric and 2 bed sheets and my folding clothes area, and managed to construct one out of that.
I would like you to say a letter of the alphabet. Marilyn, what is your letter?
Which alphabet?
The one that's on everything we can see.
I'll have an L for Lark Lord then.
You'll have an L. The most items, starting with that letter, in a bowl. Marilyn, let's how many elf things you got.
I have a ladle. I have lentils. If you want to count them all individually, that's a lot. I have a light bulb. Lip-shaped tin.
Yep.
I have approximately 180 loom bands.
Yep.
I have an L-shaped lip balm. It's very, very cute. And I have, of course, all of this Lego.
So the score to beat is 1,784 for Marilyn. Perform the best play.
Not a bad day's work. Hi, Dark Lord.
It is I, Dark Lord.
Are you in a pantry?
No. I'm in my evil lair.
Are you comfort eating?
No. Why would I? Maybe. Yes.
Are you all right?
You've no idea what it's like. The past 4 years, Donald Trump has achieved more evil through greed and stupidity than the entire League of Evil since the Second World War.
Yeah, well, I can see how that would be rough for you. What about if you weren't evil for a bit?
One cannot choose to be not evil.
You know, you could just see some people, do some fun stuff. Maybe, I don't know, do a few silly tasks on a panel show on the internet.
Huh. Very well. I shall take you on at your own game, Lark Lord.
Okay, I'll send you some tasks.
That was a look into my mind, wasn't it, Marilyn?
Oh, yeah.
I did know my sister pointed out that Dark Lord sounds a lot like me, and I would like to point out that I no longer have a sister. Romance issue. The most romantic gesture wins. Let's head straight over to Marilyn, and I'll leave you two alone on screen. So Marilyn,
I don't want you to think that I'm washy or wishy. I just love you, my beautiful Ishi. I don't know where this might be heading, but darling Ishi, do you fancy a wedding?
Wow, such a voice, such a beautiful voice that was, wasn't it? I'm blown away.
let's find out who has the final place in the final. And I'll tell you what, it's not particularly close. The audience vote has sent her romping ahead. Marilyn has 25 points. Laurie has 19.
Fuck you, I beat you next.
17. And Ken has 13.